Hi everyone, I am Amal Baby and I am an intern in Yoshops.com as finance intern. Today I like to say a few words about eRupi and Doge coins. What is eRupi? National Payments Corporation of India in association with Department of Financial Services, National Health Authority, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and partner banks has launched an initiative digital solution, eRupi. The users of the seamless one-time payment mechanism will be able to redeem the voucher without a card, digital payment app or internet banking access. At the merchants accepting eRupi, eRupi would be shared with the benefactors for specific purpose or actively by organization or government by SMS or QR code. This contactless eRupi is easy, safe and secure as it keeps the detail of benefactors completely confidential. The entire transaction process through this voucher is relatively faster and at the same time relatively as the required amount is ready stored in the voucher. How it works? eRupi is a cashless and contactless payment digital solution. Through eRupi, Indian government has tried to bring an electronic e-voucher system in India. It will act as a prepaid e-voucher, which may you can pay without any hassle. You don't need a credit card, debit card or any other service to pay. Prime Minister's office said regarding eRupi launching and for several years we have been launching many payment solutions. Also, we want to ensure that payment reaches its benefactors in the most leak-proof manner. Well, that made it very clear that what the Modi government is up to. With eRupi app launching, they may make payment solutions simplified and smooth. What is Dogecoins? Dogecoins was created by IBM software engineer Billy Marcus and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer. This wanted to create a peer-to-peer digital currency that could reach a broader demographic than Bitcoin. In addition, they want to distance it from a controversial history of other coins. Dogecoin was officially launched on December 6, 2013, and within the first 30 days, there were over a million visitors to dogecoin.com. How it works? Dogecoin is an alternative coin with many uses. Many streams commercial applications of the currency have gained traction on internet such as a tipping system in which social media users tip others for providing interesting or noteworthy content. Trading physical tangible items in exchange for Doge takes place on online communities such as Reddit and Twitter, where users frequently share currency related information. Dogecoin has also been used to try to sell a house and has been used in pornography and poker industry. And thank you. That's all about my topic. Thank you for your valuable time.